Thinking about pausing or changing your Dropbox Plus plan? Here's exactly how to do it without any hassle. First, head over to the Dropbox website, that's dropbox.com, and log in to your Plus account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Account Settings. Now you're in your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Plan section. This is where you'll see details about your current subscription. Within the Plan section, you should see an option to either cancel subscription or downgrade plan. Click on that option. Dropbox will likely ask you to confirm your decision and might prompt you for a reason. Read any information carefully. And then click the final confirmation button, usually labeled downgrade or cancel again. And that's it. You'll receive a confirmation that your Dropbox Plus plan has been canceled or will be downgraded at the end of your current billing cycle, ensuring you manage your subscription effectively.